Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add something about you in Grindr. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grindr application. Now click on your profile in the top left corner. Click on Edit Profile option. And here you can see the option that says About Me. Click on it. Here you can add a word or some lines about yourself. Now click on the Save option. Now when somebody will view your profile, they'll be able to see the text that you have just added. So that is how you can add something about you in Grindr. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.